severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for southwestern Teller and extreme north-central Fremont counties. At 3:41 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar continued to indicate a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was centered 7 miles northwest of Cripple Creek, or 26 miles west of Colorado Springs, and was moving toward the southeast at 5 miles per hour. Locations impacted include open country of southwest Teller County south of Highway 24. Victor. Cripple Creek. If possible, without risking your safety, protect property before the weather hits. Get in a sturdy structure and away from windows. An interior room on the lowest floor or basement can offer the best protection.